Hello and welcome to the midwinter outdoor edition of the Motor House. It's 50 degrees today and it's time to douse the chassis with cleaner and get all the last bits done. So I'm outside on plastic and everything is, we'll say, ready. So I have done, I think, all the prep work that I can get done. I can't find anything else. Hoping that a good wash of with Xylene will finish up everything that I might have missed, any little bit of dust that's on it. Final prep, getting ready for paint. I am going to get the welding done before I paint it. Now, this is kind of what I tended to use to fill with Xylene and spray. Something that my dad had, and basically air chuck goes in there, and as you squeeze it, you just it comes on and blows air in, sucks up whatever liquid you have in. The problem is that, we'll say, older versions of the air chucks fit in there with clearance. I will say that if I try to get this in there, it hits against this and nothing's going to fit unless I bend everything up out of the way. So unfortunately, I wanted to kind of bring my dad into some of this, and bless his soul, since he passed away in 17. But that's not the work, unfortunately. So what I did get, let's go this way. Reach. I have, let's set it down and get better. I have a wand with trigger and adjustable flow, and it goes, the hose goes into your container and it siphons up and goes. It saves time filling this container up over and over again. You can adjust the pressure. Well, I adjust the pressure inside on my regulator, and well, hopefully it does a good job, because that's where I'm headed, to clean it up with this. And I'm sorry I couldn't film while I was spraying, but I'm wrapped up in covers and headgear and gloves and everything necessary to keep me from getting splashed upon with Xylene. But everything seems like it's turned out well. Doused everything down till it got clear, all the nooks and crannies, I hope. That's about all I can say, is I hope I've gotten them all. Flushed everything out and clean for the next step, which is going to be welding. I'm going to weld that cap on the front. Well, I'm going to paint. I'm going to paint in there. Then I'll weld the cap on the front. That's a better way to put it. So everything is nice and clean. And it was just enough of breeze to keep everything from staying around me, all the fumes. So as long as I stayed upwind, everything turned out really well. So the little bits of metal work that I would like to get done, yeah, sorry for the hours. So then I got ums. Just not as fast speaking as I should be. Okay. Well, that is a wrap on prepping these stages. So we're ready for paint now, and a little bit of welding, and then paint the rest of it with its primer and its final coat. So thanks for coming along and seeing on this day of snow. Well, the snow is melting, which is nice now to have all the snow melt. But thanks for watching.